My name is Nolan. I'm a digital artist, and this is why I create. I kind of picked up drawing and art kind of late in life. Senior year of high school, when I started drawing, I was like, I suck compared to everyone else my age. And it's kind of been toxic. It's a little dramatic, but it's been kind of toxic in the way I create, and I get mad that I'm not as good as everyone else who has spent years honing their craft, and I'm expecting myself to be that good. And you don't let yourself learn and fail. You shouldn't be attached to your work. The skill is in here, not what's on paper. So don't be afraid to throw things away and just start over, because you carry the skill with you. I like to be alone when I draw with music, lots of music. I'll get into a zone. That's the best time to draw though. If you can get into a zone, it feels like time doesn't exist. When I was in the observational drawing and I did my final piece, I sat there for 8 hours just doing charcoal drawing, but it was just so rewarding. You finish and you're just snap out of a trance and you're just like, what happened? 10 hours have passed and it's really satisfying. It's I gotta stop and just kind of pull back and enjoy the creation process, because the feeling and the goodness of the process is half the reason why we do it. My name is Nolan, and this is why I create.